Today I'm joined by entrepreneur and footwear designer Andrea Wazen, who has created the most beautiful luxury footwear collection. We're going to talk through everything she is packing when she travels to London, from her everyday essentials to everything she needs for the evening. What is the first thing you're packing when you're in London?
So, of course, the first thing I think about is the weather, because I live in Dubai and it's always so warm. But in London, obviously it gets colder. So I think I would start with my coat. See this Maxmara coat that I love so much. It's so special. I love the color.
Yeah, the color's gorgeous.
Really nice. Yeah, it's quite fun. It's actually really easy to wear. Like, you'd be surprised it suits so many colors together. It's also super lightweight, so I can pack it very easily in my luggage without it taking too much space.
Gorgeous. What about leather?
So I'm going to start with this Mariam El Sibari leather coat that I love.
Stunning.
Mariam's a great designer. She's also from the region. Yeah, it's so soft.
I guess also when you're packing, you want pieces that are going to be multifunctional.
Yeah.
It's not like I can only wear them one way.
Exactly. I once wore it as a dress, you know, like just this, and like a simple dress, and I never removed it like the whole night.
Yeah.
My second favorite is this Nour Hammour coat.
Oh, Nour Hammour is one of my absolute favorite designers.
I love her. Nour is actually a very old friend. We were friends in Paris. We met in Paris, and I actually knew her when she started her own brand, and it was such a nice story because I remember her starting off her brand and seeing where she's got to now makes me so happy and proud.
The best. Her designs are incredible.
She's incredible. This is also one of my favorite coats because it's long. It has like this detail where the buttons are actually invisible, so it makes it so elegant and chic. So this is the type of coat you would wear in the morning when you're waking up and it's cold and you just want to get out of the house and grab some coffee.
Also with London, I feel like you never really know which way the weather is going to go. So having a kind of a thicker layer, which is practical when you go out and brave the elements, this is essential.
What I think is special about this, it's actually reversible. So this is by Varley.
2-in-1.
And it's like, so smart.
Yeah,
like this is like a perfect thing to buy for someone living in Dubai, because like you don't wear coats all the time, but then when you get this like reversible coat, you can just like take it for a weekend and you'll have 2-in-1.
So chic.
It also has this collar, which helps when you're cold and your ears want to stay warm.
Do you pack in outfits or do you pack on with pieces that you want to focus on?
I usually plan my outfits in advance, especially for like a staycation like this where I know what events I have. So like last night I had my brand event, which was so nice, and I wore this Nanushka leather dress, which I also love. It has like this halter neck, these
that's
buttons.
Incredible.
I paired it with the Nour Hammour coat I was talking about.
Oh, double leather,
which looked really nice. I actually didn't remove my coat. I kept it on the whole night.
Okay.
But it looked really cool. Obviously with my Andrea Wazen platform.
The best.
It looked super edgy, and I have like this Balenciaga city bag.
So cute.
Which I love, which also gave like the same type of vibe.
Yeah.
You know, it was like a full leather
Vampy
look, and then
love. So you mentioned like events. That's obviously a big part of what you do. What other evening pieces are your heroes?
Outfit that I love is this dress. It's by Camila Coelho.
I
love this dress. I love her brand. Honestly, she does like the nicest like evening short cocktail dresses.
Yeah.
Super sexy. And this is something I'm planning to wear in New York, actually. I'm going to New York.
A dress where you don't need almost any accessories. Those are the details.
This is like enough, you know, like the collar with like the fur. And of course, like pair it with like a brown bag. I have like this bag from the Row, which I think can look also very cute with it, you know.
Any other evening heroes that you rely on?
So there's this dress also by Norma Kamali.
I love that.
So pretty. I mean, I love the collar. I love that it's like super thin and so easy. You have like these beautiful sleeves.
So dramatic.
So dramatic. Like you don't even need to wear anything.
No, they sort of give like a cape regal.
And then you can wear it with like black stockings and again like the platforms, or you can even pair them with like these leopard lace. I think can look super sexy also together.
Your accessories and your shoes just like bring immediate like elegance and sexiness to any look.
Thank you so much.
Do you have a favorite pair that will always come with you, or do you switch out? Like, how do you make that decision?
I switch out a lot. Every collection we introduce new styles and new colors and fabrications, and I think this is what's so nice is like when you're so comfortable in a pair, and then every season you like switch out into like lace or then satin. And I have this one pair that I love that I always travel with. It's the Franca. I mean, it's so special because I think you can wear it like even if you're wearing denim and you're just wearing like a white t-shirt, you can just pair them with this and it just elevates your look. So I just think sometimes the shoes definitely make the outfit.
Oh,
I think
100%.
this is one of the styles that I would definitely always pack.
I love these. These are
me.
so beautiful. Also, I just feel like you're not going to have a bad time in those
No.
shoes. I would worry about London puddles with those.
Yeah,
so
I
maybe
know.
they're taxi
They're
shoes.
dinner shoes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What about Daywear? How do you approach the kind of running around, whether you've got meetings, you're running into town, meeting friends,
Of
like
course.
something more casual?
Yeah, I love denim. These are citizens of humanity. These are like one of my favorite denim jeans. I wear them all the time because I can wear them with like trainers, and then I can wear them with boots. So I love them. They fit so nicely and they're so comfortable. And these are also my Andrea Wazen boots, and I think it looks super nice with it.
Yes,
Like
such a good toe.
yeah. This is like also one of my favorite sweaters. It's Ralph Lauren. It's like a cashmere. I love the color.
So
I think it
nice.
brings brightness to your outfit or a gloomy day.
Yeah,
So it,
definitely.
like,
We need that in London. A bit more bright and light for this
Exactly.
gloominess. And also I feel like you could jazz that up like with one of the leather jackets. You can suddenly make an outfit that's a little bit more casual, feel a bit more special.
And then I would definitely like also pair it with like this. This is like an Hermès scarf that has like so many colors together.
That's so beautiful.
Which I find it was my mom's actually. And
Oh wow.
I took it from her closet.
Does she know?
Now you know, Mom. Where it is.
But we've got to talk about your bags and shoe collection. Do you specifically think, okay, I need one bag for this? Do you think about different sizes? Do you take the same ones?
I do. Honestly, like I really get attached to the bags that I wear. Like example, like this Bottega, I love it so much. I wear it all the time because it's such an easy work bag. I can fit so much stuff into it. It's a good travel bag also. This was actually for my mother-in-law. It's like a vintage Birkin, Hermès, which I love, honestly. I love my mother-in-law as well. Like she's so kind.
And would you only use this when you're traveling? Would you use this in Dubai?
I usually use this when I'm traveling.
Okay.
I fit a lot of stuff in, and that's how it started. Like at first she's like, please, like I want you to have this, like you can travel with it. You can. I'm like, I'm not gonna travel with a Birkin. But then, you know, I started wearing it and I'm like, yeah, it's actually so easy to wear.
Yeah.
You know, but obviously I take very good care of it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Lucky you. And then you obviously have some of your own accessories from your brand.
Yeah. So this is a pouches that we launched recently. So what's fun about this bag is that it's very easy to wear. So you have like this, obviously you can wear it as a pouch. It has like our heart, it's upside down heart, but it's actually an A and a W. So that's what it is. But then you can switch it around. It can be a heart sometimes. And
Whoever did that branding, very clever.
What I love about it is that, so we have like this additional chain, because I'm a mom, obviously. Like, you know what it is when you're running around with your kid and you need to hold their hand into whatever. So when I'm wearing a pouch, it's like impossible.
Yeah.
Like, I can't. So I'm like, I need to have like a strap.
Even as well, like your travel essentials, like, you know, your purse, your passport, all those,
Exactly.
the bits you need to keep safe and then throw them into a big tote.
You could just throw them inside.
Yeah, I love
100%.
that.
And speaking of, I think this Bottega also is one of my favorite bags. I obviously love the color as well. I mean, it's very on brand. And speaking of the color, these are also my favorite sunglasses that my sister Karen has.
Oh,
Karen
love,
Wazen.
yes.
So these are my favorites.
Her
That's
sunnies are
like
the
my
best.
favorites. Yeah.
Oh, this look, gorgeous.
Done. Again, I always have stuff like this in my pouches, and I just pop them in my bag, and it's easy. And this I like it because it's like a drawstring.
Yeah, that's a helpful size. Also, it's so fun when you suddenly find an accessory in a handbag and you're like,
Right?
oh, I haven't used you for a
Especially
while.
like a lip gloss.
What about like smaller accessories?
Yes, so I already like mentioned about this bag. This is like the row. It's so cute. It's brown. The leather is super soft. Very easy to wear. I think it can be a day bag. It can also be an evening bag.
So
like you
sweet.
can pair it.
Is your daughter obsessed with that? I feel like
She's
mine would
obsessed
love
with
that
all
size.
bags. Like I catch her at home either wearing my shoes or my bags. She walks around with
She's a
them.
chic
I'm
lady.
yeah, exactly. There's this belt. So that's also by my brand. And what I love is that it's reversible. So you have like that, again, the heart buckle, like heart, W. But then you can reverse it so you can either wear it as burgundy or pink.
Cute.
And we have like several different variations, and I can't wait for these to launch online. They're exclusive to the store in Beirut at the moment, but soon online. And
the gloves? Tell me about these.
Yes.
They spied these. They're gorgeous.
I stole these from my sister. I'm traveling and I don't have gloves for like that weather, and she's like, I have the perfect gloves. I'm like, oh yeah. She's like, yeah, but they're with Jessica, my other sister, who also stole them from her. But yeah, we always borrow each other's
like
things.
So perfect.
They're so perfect because they're leather, and then they have like this like fluffy interior, which keeps you warm.
Heaven. I mean, your shoes have been worn by pretty much everyone. Who is your favorite celebrity that has been wearing them recently?
Honestly, like I can't choose because I think all these women are so inspirational. I think it's so nice to see how everyone with their own like sense of style and identity and occasion, like how they end up wearing the shoes and make them look so fab. And the platforms get worn a lot. Like we've seen them on J.Lo at the Met Gala, Sweeney, Jenna Ortega. You know, like they've been worn so much. Each one of them wears them in such a different way.
Yeah.
And it makes you be like, oh my God, I can wear them that way. And that would
Yeah,
be
does
so
it
cool.
inspire you?
Always.
And do you have a favorite pair? Is there one that's like
Yes.
close to your heart that you love?
So honestly, I love each one of them because when I look at them, I remember what I was thinking of when I was designing them, and it kind of gives me like this attachment to them. But I think if I have to choose, I would choose all. But then again, I think the Carol is like, I find it very edgy. Like it has like this pointed toe, it has the crystal buckles. It kind of can look sporty, like and chic, you know, even though it's in satin.
I also think the point that you don't have to wear a really high heel to feel sexy, like a little kitten heel in that shape with that pointed toe, like it's quite fierce.
Yeah. So being comfortable in what you're wearing is so important, and I think that's like very much, even though we're in evening wear and we have like very delicate fabrics and all this, comfort really comes first. For me, I think even if you're on a 75 heel or on a high heel, the more comfortable you are, the more elegant you look, the more, 100%. You know, and it's like seeing a woman walk in feeling comfortable in her shoes or feeling good in her shoes, I think it says a lot.
Oh, so I think when you see someone who's struggling to walk in their heels,
it's horrible. You're like, oh my God.
Yeah, it's hard.
It's hard. So yeah, this is definitely at the center of what I think of when I'm designing.
And then finally, how would you describe your style when you're in London in 3 words?
So I think I'd like to say elegant because you're wearing like the coats and the scarf. Maybe sexy, sometimes comfortable also. Just like
I think you've got to be comfy in London.
Yeah, like when you're traveling and you're walking and you want to just turn around or visit stores or just, you know, you need to be in something that's comfortable, and I would definitely say comfortable.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for sharing your wardrobe, sharing all your tips, and showing us more of your unbelievably beautiful shoe collection. It is just so stunning. So yeah.
Thank you. It was such a pleasure.